relatively stable against its foreign rivals. Closing the day, it managed to settle higher amid rising oil prices and the end of the tax payment period. Today, markets await the data on crude inventories in the US. The estimated growth in oil supplies may negatively influence oil prices, which is a downside risk for the Russian currency. So what shall we expect? Let's analyze the situation. The OPEC committee recommended keeping the current output cuts until July. This is definitely positive news for the oil market. On the flip side, the third wave of the coronavirus infection raging through India weighs on the oil prices. Meanwhile, crude stockpiles in the US rose by 4.3 million barrels per day for the past week, which far exceeds the estimated figures. Today's report may well confirm this data. On Wednesday, Brent edged higher by 0.5% to trade at $66.80 per barrel. However, the quotes are likely to decline and stay in the range between $65 and $67 a barrel. The European grade also reacts to the dynamics of the US market and waits for the decision of the US Federal Reserve. Today, North American crude WTI was trading at $63.10 per barrel, having gained 0.4%. The expected range for WTI is seen between $61 and $65 a barrel. We should monitor the market reaction to the evening events. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair is holding today at 74.90. The ruble's position became quite strong after the Russian regulator had raised interest rates last week. Experts assume that the ruble may enter a new round of growth. This will be possible only if US crude inventories data is positive for the commodities market. Currently, the dollar-ruble pair will be staying in the price channel of 74 to 75.60. It should be noted that the euro stopped its rally against the dollar just before the upcoming meeting of the US Federal Reserve. The European currency struggles to break through the level of 1.2100 against the greenback. Analysts point out that both a rapid breakout and a strong pullback are possible. Today, the euro-ruble pair was trading at 90.47 and is expected to hold in the area between 89.50 and 91 rubles per euro. In the course of the trade, the ruble is likely to continue its recovery that may send the pair to the range between 73 and 75 rubles. At the same time, the foreign exchange market will probably see a significant movement after the Fed announces its decision on the interest rate. Ahead of this announcement, some market players took a break in their trading activity. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.